Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bed, 5-bath house on approximately 0.57 acre with mountain, sea and city views. This home is spacious with a well laid out floor plan. It has a grand entertainment area, open concept kitchen, dining and living. The lower level is equipped with a laundry powder room, bedroom with ensuite bathroom. There is also an office area, double garage with remote door, and spacious balcony. The upper level has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and balconies. There is also a sitting area at the top stairs that opens out to a balcony. The yard is secure with perimeter fence and remote gate. There are 2 entrances to the property, just 5 minutes from shopping centers, restaurants, supermarkets, pharmacies, and entertainment areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 369,000 or Jamaican $56.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.